Let's go for the second part of the walking tour now, not bike tour, to cross mountain. Let's go together. I told myself filming and cycling not so good, so let's walk the uphill together. You see cross mountain in the back, and if you like the video, subscribe to the channel and share the video with other people. WhatsApp, Instagram, I don't know if that's possible, Facebook, social media, that they also can see the beauty of Medjugorje. And let's walk together. You see, nature is blooming, everything is growing. That's very, very nice. And I'm happy to take you around here in Medjugorje. That's typically, by the way, a lot of people have their gardens, their own vegetables, grapes. Isn't that beautiful? Look at the nice roses here. And there we go. You can see them again. Aren't they beautiful? And let's go. Up there you can see again cross mountain. At this time of the day, still perfect temperature. Would say around 24 degrees, maybe something like that. Very, very nice. And you have the olive trees, isn't that nice? There we go. Here you can see the history of architecture of Medjugorje. Old house, newer house, much more newer house. Good morning. There again, cross mountain. This way you can go to Apparition Hill, but today we are going this way to Cross Mountain. Let's go. There again, there's the cross. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? You have St. James Church, the back the mountains, and isn't that beautiful to see, huh? I love it, just love that view, you know. And we also have palm trees in Medjugorje, look at that. This is kiwi, by the way. Another palm tree, olive tree, cherries behind. People here still know the beauty of nature, you know, cherries, palm trees, roses. Isn't that nice? And we are arriving slowly at the foot of Cross Mountain. If you like the video, please subscribe, share the video on social media. Other people also can see the beauty of Medjugorje. And yeah, subscribe to the channel and give a like. That pushes the videos up and other people can see the beauty as well. Look at this old Medjugorje. The houses were like this. And we are coming to the foot of Cross Mountain. Here we are, look at that. We are at the foot of Cross Mountain. I'll keep my bag here for a moment and I walk with you. In the next video I show you a bit Cross Mountain, the bottom. I hope you like this video. Subscribe to the channel and share the videos as I liked. Thank you so much for that and for listening and looking at the videos. And have a joyful day. I pray for you here, especially at Cross Mountain.